I don't think there's ever been a more aptly named tool. This is the Versatility. It's made by Walnut Hollow, and it does so much more than just burn wood. Welcome to Tool Talk Tuesday. If you're new here, I'm Sarah from Birds of a Feather. The variety of tips allows you to use it for hot knife cutting, stencil cutting, soldering, and even transferring images onto wood or other surfaces. So here's a peek at some of the tips that you get with it. So here's all the tips laid out. This is a universal point. It's used for multiple different things. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit. It's a little dark, well used and well loved. Here I'm using it to wood burn a pattern onto pieces of wood. But before I got too busy using the universal tip, I used this transfer tip, which I'll explain a little later on, but essentially it will transfer the pattern onto the surface for you before you wood burn. Here's the finished wood burning project, which I then attached onto a birthday card. This one is a flow point. You can wood burn curves, dots, you can do shading, you can even do writing with it. This is a shading point. It produces beautiful shading on wood in larger areas. This one is a calligraphy point. You can use it for handwriting. Again, this is a tip that I use a lot. It's a stencil cutter point. It can cut intricate designs in, let's say, acetate, which I use a lot for stencils. I've also developed a technique where I fuse together felt. Here's an example of how the stencil cutter tip works on felt. Okay, so I'm going to place my yellow over my pattern on the black. I just want to be on the inside of that line. So I'm going to come along and go right through. And again. Now be sure that you return it to the stand so that's not going to melt anything. And what you should be able to do is just tear away, leaving the black. And there you go. You've got your yellow in place. Now we're ready for the next color. If you'd like to see how this finished project turned out, click the link above. This is a little soldering point, very handy when you need to join metal with metal. This is very much like an X-Acto knife tip. You can use it as a hot knife to cut through anything, really. Now when you are doing stencil work, you want to make sure you're working on a glass surface so that you're not burning through to your tabletop. This is a transfer point. You need a photocopy that is a laser jet copy, so it won't work with an inkjet. And what you do is you place it face down, let's say on your wood surface, you heat it up, you keep the tool moving, and it will transfer your laser copy onto your wood. These are little stamp tools. There's a variety of different patterns here. There's a little bullseye. They also give you some solder, so if you do have to solder anything, you've got some lead-free solder here. Now, I haven't done a great job of taking care of my tips here. As you can see, there's oxidation on the tool, and you want to keep that clean. So I'm going to link in the description to a video that teaches you how to properly clean your tips, and I think I'm going to go watch that and probably get that done too. Now let's look at an upcycle in which I use the Versatility to cut through some plastic water bottles. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications of our upcoming projects. Join us every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Tool Talk Tuesday. Signing off for now, keep your friends close and your tools even closer.